Start with clear, calm steps and show where to place the plunger for the best seal. Begin by choosing a flange plunger for toilets and a cup plunger for sinks and tubs, and explain why the shape matters for creating a proper seal. Show the student how to inspect the flange or rim for debris and how to remove any visible blockages with gloves and a disposable tool before plunging. Position the plunger so the cup covers the drain opening completely and the handle is vertical. Demonstrate pressing gently to expel trapped air, then use firm controlled pushes and pulls with the same range of motion rather than wildly pumping, keeping the seal intact on every stroke. Count out sets of slow strokes, followed by a few faster ones, to vary pressure and explain to listen for changes in sound that indicate movement of the obstruction. Teach breathing and posture so the plunger user stays balanced and does not fatigue the arms quickly. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, bend at the knees, and use body weight rather than just the shoulders. Emphasize using warm water at sink height in sinks and tubs to improve suction when safe, and for toilets avoid adding chemical drain cleaners before plunging since they can splash back and cause injury. Finish by demonstrating how to test the drain with small amounts of water, how to repeat the process safely if needed, and when to stop and call a professional if there is no progress after repeated careful attempts. People often pick the wrong plunger, which wastes effort, so show them the correct type and explain the difference briefly. A poor seal from not centering the cup leads to failure, so coach them to press down to push out air before starting strokes to lock the seal. And many skip hygiene steps and get contaminated hands or surfaces, so teach wearing gloves, using a barrier cloth, and disinfecting tools and nearby surfaces afterward. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like this by helping people find local professionals and by letting contractors list services and respond to leads. We also host a discussion community where users share tips, ask questions, and learn from others who have handled similar problems.